Hi there. Do you want to find a way to relax and unwind, but don't know where to start? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to share with you some powerful meditation techniques that will help you release stress and anxiety, and find your inner calm. So, grab a comfortable spot to sit, close your eyes, and let's get started. 1. Mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation is a simple yet powerful technique that can help you become more aware of your thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations. It can be practiced anywhere, at any time, and doesn't require any special equipment. When practicing mindfulness meditation, it's important to remember that the goal is not to stop your thoughts, but rather to observe them without judgment. By doing so, you can learn to let go of negative thoughts and emotions, and develop a sense of inner peace and calm. Guided meditation. Guided meditation is a great way to start your meditation practice, especially if you're new to meditation. It's a technique that involves following a script or audio recording that guides you through a relaxation process. Guided meditations can be found online or in apps, and can range from a few minutes to an hour in length. They usually involve visualizations, breathing exercises, or progressive muscle relaxation. Some popular guided meditation apps include Headspace, Calm, and Insight Timer. Three. Body scan meditation. Body scan meditation is a technique that can help you become more aware of your body and release any tension that you're holding in your muscles. It can be beneficial for people who suffer from chronic pain or have a history of trauma. When practicing body scan meditation, it's important to move slowly and deliberately and focus on each body part for a few seconds before moving on to the next one. By doing so, you can learn to release any physical tension that you're holding in your body and develop a greater sense of relaxation. 4. Loving kindness meditation. Loving kindness meditation is a technique that can help you cultivate feelings of compassion, kindness, and gratitude towards yourself and others. It can be beneficial for people who struggle with negative self-talk or have a history of trauma. When practicing loving kindness meditation, it's important to visualize someone you love or respect and to focus your attention on sending positive thoughts and feelings toward them. By doing so, you can learn to cultivate feelings of love and kindness towards yourself and others, and develop a greater sense of inner peace and happiness. 5. Transcendental meditation. Transcendental meditation, TM, is a technique that involves repeating a mantra, a word or sound, silently in your mind to achieve a deep state of relaxation. It's a popular meditation technique that has been used by millions of people worldwide. When practicing TM, it's important to choose a mantra that resonates with you and repeat it silently for 15 to 20 minutes twice a day. By doing so, you can learn to let go of negative thoughts and emotions, and develop a greater sense of inner peace and clarity. So there you have it, 5 powerful meditation techniques that can help you reduce stress and find inner peace. Remember, meditation is a practice that takes time and patience to master, but the benefits are well worth the effort. Whether you're new to meditation or a seasoned practitioner, there's a technique out there that's right for you. So, take a deep breath, close your eyes, and let go of any tension or stress that you're holding in your body. With regular practice, you can learn to find your inner calm and live a more peaceful and joyful life. Thanks for watching.